Welcome to this tutorial on how to lock a block in your WordPress website in just 5 minutes. In this guide, we will walk you through each step clearly and methodically so that you can follow along easily. We begin with accessing your WordPress installation and move carefully from there through the necessary steps to achieve the end result. Start by going directly to your WordPress website using your preferred web browser. Once you have reached the home page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you will notice a login option. Select it to begin the authentication process for accessing your site's administrative features. After clicking on the login option, you will be prompted to choose a method of authentication. Instead of entering your username and password manually, opt to continue with your Google account. This method offers a quick and secure way to sign in. When you click on the Continue with Google option, a list of accounts associated with your browser will appear. Choose the appropriate account you wish to use, and the login process will proceed, granting you access to the WordPress backend. Once you have successfully logged into your WordPress site, direct your attention to the Quick Links section on the dashboard. Within this section, locate and click on the Edit Site link. This action opens the site editor, where you can manage your themes, blocks, and other important site components. The editor provides an intuitive interface for making design and functionality changes to your website. After your site editor loads, you will need to find the specific block you wish to lock. In this example, the focus is on a paragraph block that you intend to secure from unintended changes. Navigate to the area of the editor where the paragraph block is displayed. Click directly on the paragraph block so that it becomes selected and its editing options are made visible. Once the block is highlighted, you are ready to adjust its settings. With the paragraph block selected, locate the navigation bar that typically appears at the top of the editing pane. Within this navigation bar, you will see an icon represented by 3 dots. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal additional options and functionalities related to the block. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, and these extra options provide a simple way to manage the block settings. Within the expanded menu that appears after clicking the 3 dots, look for the lock option. Selecting lock will ensure that the paragraph block is secured, meaning that it will no longer be accidentally modified. Locking a block is especially useful when your website is open to multiple editors, or when you want to preserve specific design elements and prevent them from being inadvertently altered. Once you click on the lock option, the block settings are finalized to prevent further edits to that particular block. This tutorial has guided you through every necessary step to lock a block on your WordPress website. Whether you are making minor updates or finalizing major design changes, securing your block ensures that the integrity of your page layout remains intact, allowing you to focus on other critical aspects of your site management. Thank you for following along with this detailed guide as you work towards maintaining a stable and well-organized WordPress site.